I just installed this delkevic, I believe that's how you say it, slip-on exhaust on my 2012 Nc700x, and I just wanted to give a quick review on it. Install was obviously super easy. I was just looking for something that was lighter than the factory muffler and yet not be super loud. So this is it. You guys want to hear it? This is idling. It's not much louder than the factory. Alright, gonna give it about a halfway throttle. Does come with a silencer. I'm not sure if I'll take that out yet, but yeah, this is it. Delkevic slip-on 2012 Nc700.